So let's get started on how to use Pinterest for blogging. This is Lata from Indian Mom Vlogs, and I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process to using Pinterest for blogging. Step 1, pick a keyword and write an article and embed a pin. Step 1 is pretty straightforward. You just have to pick a keyword and write an article on that, and there are multiple ways to picking a keyword. So let me walk you uh, through a couple of ways. So first is you can use keyword Google as a keyword tool. You can go to um, uh, there are many free keyword tools available, just like Keywords Everywhere. Now it's become paid, but Keywords Everywhere, you just pay $1 for 10,000 or some searches. You can also use also asked. So many things are available. I have a separate video on this, on picking the right topics, picking keywords on this channel. Do check that out. The link should be in the description. Next, what do? You write an article and you embed the pin. So let me show you how I have written the article. I'm just finishing up on the article so you can finish that with me. So I am trying to write an article on a system which I have recently started working with, and the link of that system will be scrolling on the screen. So I'm going to embed a YouTube video which I made for that system. So let me embed that video, and then I'll change the header here. So basically you need more content than what I have put. I will be coming back and adding more content later uh, after I make this video, but this is just to show you how I do this. Okay, and so add a heading. Okay, and now my video is done. So what was the next step? Pick a keyword, write an article, and embed a pin. So for creating the pin, I use Canva. I hope you can see it. Let me pull this over. So I'm going to use Canva for this. So I created two pins. It's affiliate to success, fake, and how does viral marketing work. Okay, let me download it. Once you have created it, just download this PNG file into your computer, and once that is done, now what you need to do is, let me just save that here. It's a zip file because I have two pins. So I'm going to open that zip file and extract those pins out, right? So this is my pin. It's not very great, but for whatever reason that pin converts. So I'm using the same format, and then let me get the file out. So I have extracted the file into my folder. I'm doing that in the back end. I do not want to show my folders right now, so that's why it's happening in the back end. And what I'll be doing is I'm trying to rename the pins, because I'll be publishing it with the new name. So once that is done, what I'll do is next step. So write an article, embed a pin, right? The next step would be to create multiple pins, which I have already done. I have created multiple pins. Then the next step would be to optimize the pins. So I am using a system provided by a Pinterest marketer. The link to that course will be in the description. It is at indianmomblogs.com/a1 a1. You can check that out, and if you are interested in the free 24-hour ranking system, the free course, it's at /p1. Do check that out. So how to optimize the pin? You need to have the keyword there, and there are a certain few things you need to do. So, and then next we are going to go and publish it to the most relevant board. So what I do is, first of all, I've not added the pin, so let me go back and add the pin here. Okay, so we have to upload the pin here, and I'm going to upload it. So I uploaded it to the wrong space. I'm going to move it down here. It's uploaded here. So this is the pin. I am going to update my post. So the post has been updated. The next step is to now publish it to the most relevant board. So you go to Pinterest. You need to can either save it from the website, or you can drag and drop your pin here. To save it from the website, just click on Save from Website. Copy the URL of the website, paste it here, and it will pull up the pin. You can also upload the image directly, but if you have the rich pins enabled, then it will pull in all the details. And the next step would be to just add it to the most relevant board and publish. So that is how you use Pinterest as for a blog. So that is how to use Pinterest for blogging. And the next step would be to repeat as per the Pinterest marketing course. The link is on the scrolling on the screen. It will be in the description. Do check that out, and also do get the free traffic system to get rankings in 24 hours.